I feel confident that I can apply this knowledge in my work as I move forward with my studio. Hi, my name is Richard. I'm an industrial designer from Portugal and I'm building my own design studio. When I applied to test the update of Blender Parametric Mastery, I wanted to learn how to create photorealistic images of my 3D printed products, especially to capture the real texture of 3D printing process. The course helped me understand how to apply those details properly, and now I feel confident that I can apply this knowledge in my work as I move forward with my studio. So thank you, Lemanouche. Thank you, Alex.